Out of all 26 episodes of the show, there are 2 that I enjoyed most. Episode 11, Toys in the Attic. The episode does not follow the show's formula, the crew isn't chasing any culprit. This whole episode takes place inside the ship as it gets attacked by a mysterious elusive creature. The episode is great due to its animation technique and work with sound. We can see from the creature's point of view, and the combination of music and sound effects makes us feel the anxiety and fear that the characters experience, especially Spike Spiegel, who has to find and liquidate the creature before it's too late.